Hey you guys, April 9th, I woke up 7:30, slept for 11 or 12 hours. The sleep was kind of funky, like, I don't know, the bed is super hard, but it's okay. Yesterday I did my laundry, so that's nice. Fresh clothes, like the bucket method. Look, nice. Now my neighbors look like nice. Looks like a nice neighborhood. Well, I told you this yesterday, I think. Look, I have this table. I can have breakfast, like boiling some eggs. So I'm gonna make myself some healthy breakfast. Yo, so I don't know. To be honest, I feel like chilling. You know, I'll probably extend 2 more nights here in Jaipur. I need to read a little bit about the city because I want to maybe tell you something. Just not, just to speak and walk, but maybe tell you some history about it. But so far it seems like it was like a royal city. Yeah, so we're gonna have my breakfast, gonna order some swiggy probably, maybe chill. The day is still early, so I have like a lot of time. You got some bananas, got some peanut butter. It's like sugar sweet, so that's nice. And I got some pomegranate seeds. They call them anar. I don't know why. I have this gift. I don't know what's this, like Thai chili tempeh tins. Yeah. Yo, so basically I'm chilling today. Ordered more food, like masala dosa, some idli. Paid only $150 with delivery. Some kind of discount, so that's nice. Yeah, I should enjoy this place because tomorrow I need to change my room. Somebody's coming. So yeah. The next 2 days are probably gonna be for exploring Jaipur. Hey, so today is April 10th. Yesterday I had a chill day, so I'm gonna go check out this fort. Yeah, it should be cool. Not planning too much ahead. I'm still staying at least till 12 here, maybe 13 or maybe even 14. I'll see. Have time, so why not use it? Yeah. To take me to the fort, I'm like booking for a half an hour at least. So I just came here to Amber Palace. I couldn't get a scooter to the fort. Nobody accepted it. Everybody's like cancel. Yeah, it's a good thing to have a scooter here. I don't know, or driver. I even had to call the driver and he said like low fare. I told him I'll give him like extra rupees if he takes me to the palace. So yeah, now I'm here. Yeah, so you can get a guide, like by good prices. What the hell? It's closed. Okay, so how to get in? I don't know. Yeah, so I'm somewhere close to the palace. There's a lot of walking, a lot of guides, like for 200. So if I'm not mistaken, this palace was built like in 1735. Yeah, some king and queen stuff, you know, ancient empire. Yeah, so I'm at the fort. It cost me 500. If you're a student, it only costs 150. And the ride cost me also 150. For Indian citizens, it's 100. Sorry. Yo, this looks super nice. These corridors are quite nice, like quite cool. You know, not hot. Yo, this looks cool. Yo, nice palace, nice views. For all them Instagram girls, probably you can get like nice shots here. Yeah, I don't know. Like, good idea is to get a guide. You can look everything like in an hour, maybe even less. Like the guide is 40 minutes, so quite quick. Maybe I'll go check out the fort. There's some fort somewhere. One is there, just I don't know how to get up. There's also Jaigarh Fort close by. Yo, this fort requires a little bit of walking uphill, but I got this. Squirrels jumping around. It's probably like 33, maybe more. 33 degrees. Yeah, not a lot of people here. Probably better go at 4 p.m. for sunset. Also wondering, will there be a price to enter the fort? Yeah, from down below, like, this place looks awesome. But still, it's kind of expensive. You want to get a taxi from my place, it's 400. So you need to go back, that's 400 more. Of course, if you're splitting, that's okay. You can save a lot. I'm like counting you approximately need 20 euro at least, with like everything, you know, insurance, Airbnb or booking, food, sometimes more, like 20 to 30 euro per day in India. And if you go like to these places, you need more. But you can save a lot if you like pay cash. Or I don't know. Speak Hindi. Yeah, probably you can get like Hindi prices if you wear something that covers your face. Oh, come on, 1,000 rupees. Yo, a lot of monkeys here. So the ticket was 500, not 1,000. I misread. Yeah, probably a lot of tourists come here, so yeah, they're milking everybody. Yo, this is like more like a huge viewpoint. It looks cool. I'll need to go way back there. This is cool, like cooler than the palace. Like monkeys. Good view. Got past that. You see, building in the lake. Quite similar to Udaipur. Yo, some kind of courtyard. Yeah, so it was way interesting to go with a guide, like the security guy was my guide. He told me here everything. So basically this place was built in 17th century. This was like the Amber City. This fort in Amber was all connected by tunnels. Yeah. So if you want to take a photo here, this place costs like 1,000 rupees. Yeah, so I don't know exactly, but did they use guns or not? Probably not, but here they use like burning oil and hot water, you know, to defend the palace. But this fort like never had a war. Like you didn't need like to protect nothing. Like nobody attacked this place. Also the city palace, the palace I showed you yesterday, but I didn't go in. Like there's still a king living there. Like now if he lives there exactly, but it's his palace. He just didn't has like any authority. He doesn't have like any ruling across India, but he's just the king. So yeah, you can see all the fort like going there. They bring water from there with elephants, like from that place. It goes like everywhere, like big wall. And this whole place is Amber City. Quite cool. Yo, so the king also has nine wives, like in those times. He could have 9 wives. Yo, so this should be the biggest cannon in the world. You need 100 kilo of gunpowder. Yeah, it doesn't look like the biggest. Yo, so the weather changed so fast, like it's like cloudy and windy. It's kind of interesting, but also refreshing. So for me so far, this fort was like more interesting than the palace. But yeah, get a guide. Like it's much more fun with a guide. Yeah, so I'm going down. Hope I'll get some ride, like a scooter. So in total I spent here like 1,000 and 150 for the ride, and I tipped the guide only 50. Yeah, so I don't know if it's super enjoyable. If you're not into history, you can skip it. And like probably the view was nice, you know, but you can get a view from somewhere else maybe. Yeah, still a nice place to visit, spend your day. Definitely not that boring. Beats sitting home, you know. Yo, so I'm back home. I probably didn't say that I changed my room. Yeah. So I'm leaving this place, like this apartment, going downstairs. Yeah. April 10th.